target. I need more mana. Need more rage.
I can't attack that.
My mana is low.
I don't have enough energy.
I don't have a target. I'm out of rage. I need a target.
It's too far away.
I can't do that.
My mana is spent. Not enough rage.
It's too far away.
Need more rage.
I need more
I
mana.
don't have enough energy.
I need a target. I don't have that
It's
ability.
too far away. My mana is low.
I need a target. I need more mana.
I can't do that yet.
It's too far
I
away.
can't drink anymore.
I can't equip that.
I can't use that yet.
I can't afford that.
I can't equip that.
That bag is full.
I can't equip that.
My skill level isn't high enough to equip that.
It's too expensive.
If you enjoyed the cartoon, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you really like our cartoons, support us on patreon.com/carbotanimations. And special thanks to all you who are currently supporting us. Thank you so much, you make this happen.